Okay, guys. So on, I don't know much about uh Zaya coin here. I did see it for a while there. It seemed like the volumes and the big percent gains. It was showing up at the top of Bittrex. That's the only thing I really know or kind of am familiar with on this coin. But I'll tell you from a price perspective. I actually want to look at the weekly. um, I was just gonna look at this cycle. There's a little bit of data here, pretty good up cycle, and now that seems to be rolling over. Still not that much information to go off of. The daily, this is what I would say about this trend. This is very similar to a lot of alts. We had these big moves in December, and what you want to look at is you can see the downtrend. So when you break the bands here, and clearly right here, everything rolls over and you're making lower highs and lower lows. So this has been in a downtrend. All right. Ever since really about right here. You broke above these lower highs. See all these lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. And then right here, you kind of started making equidistant highs. If I zoomed in, you'd see probably more of like a sideways range trade. But once you got above this level, you see how large that candle is? That's a real money candle right there. Okay. So boom, ever since there, that's a brand new uptrend. This is your first move. You just consolidated sideways and that was your secondary move. Now you have this huge wall and we've retraced about halfway. So I like this pullback. It's pretty orderly. I like this little swing line that's developing right here. So I'm actually going to add a little bit to this position. And if I get a candle like this, it pops its head up on a swing line buy setup, I'm going to add to it. All right, but this isn't an uptrend. This is definitely a bullish uptrend. The cycle's still coming down, but it's getting lower, so we'll look for that to turn back up also. And RSI is kind of showing you the same thing. So that looks good. I think that looks pretty tasty right there. I'm pretty bullish.